Are you ready to discover 5 things you didn't know about the GMKtec Mini PC? Stick around as we dive into this powerhouse of a machine that defies its compact size. Welcome to the Inspect Aspect. Today we're unboxing the GMKtec Mini PC Windows 11 Pro Intel Core i7-1195G7, compact yet powerful. First up, let's talk about the Intel Core i7-1195G7 processor. With a turbo boost of up to 5.0 GHz, this PC handles everything from one-on-one video calls to gaming like a champ. However, its power efficiency is remarkable at just 35W, making it perfect for daily tasks. But does it heat up during intense usage? That's something to consider. Next, we have the memory and storage options. With 32GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, expandable to 2TB, this PC ensures you won't be running out of space anytime soon. But can it effectively manage heavy multitasking without lag? That's a crucial point worth exploring. Let's not overlook its graphics. The Intel Iris Xe Graphics G7 gives you the capability to run 4K UHD on 3 screens simultaneously. This is fantastic for creative professionals. However, keep in mind that hardcore gaming may reveal its limitations. We'll dive more into that later. Connectivity is another highlight. With Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 Gbps LAN support, you can expect lightning-fast internet speeds. But how does its Bluetooth 5.2 perform when connecting devices over distance? We need to keep that in mind. Lastly, GMKtec prides itself on customer support. They offer a 1-year warranty and lifetime support, touching base with your concerns at any time. Is this an edge for consumers when making a purchase? Definitely something to ponder. In conclusion, the GMKtec Mini PC is a remarkable device packed with power, efficiency, and excellent support. If you're considering an investment in a compact yet capable machine, this could be the right fit for you. Just keep in mind its limits with intensive gaming. If you're intrigued by the GMKtec Mini PC, check the link in the description below for the best prices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.